Welcome to level 24. This is finding the total surface area of a sphere fraction. Each time you're given a sphere fraction, like here I'm given 3/4 of a sphere. I think the easiest way is to figure out the flat bits, the round bits. For the flat bits, this is a half a circle, that's a half a circle, so it's a full circle, so it's pi r squared. Pi times the radius squared. For the round bits, now I know that a full sphere is 4 pi r squared. We have 3/4 of this. Alright, so 3/4 of 4. You're divided by 4, then you're multiplying by 4. Well, they're going to cancel each other out, and you're going to get 3 pi r squared. It's pi r squared plus 3 pi r squared, so the total surface area is going to be 4 pi r squared. We're going to get, in all, 4 pi r squared. The radius is 1.04. 4 pi r squared is 4 times pi times the radius to the power of 2. You get 13.591788. Goes on for a while. Decameters squared, because it's area. Let's do another one. We have flat bits and round bits. Flat bits and round bits. The flat bits, we have 3/4 of a circle plus another quarter of a circle. That makes a full circle plus another quarter of a circle. That's 5/4 of a circle. The radius is 5.58. The flat bits are 5/4 of the area of a circle times pi times the radius of 5.58 to the power of 2. 122.27237. It goes on forever. The round bits. If I turn it this way, we can see that we have 3/8 of a sphere. It's 3/8 of times. The area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. So 4 times pi r squared is equal to 3/8 times 4 times a sphere. Pi times the radius squared. We can do it like that. The full sphere is 4 pi r squared. So 1/8 of a sphere is 1/8 of 4 pi r squared, which is 1/2 pi r squared. So every eighth is 1/2 pi r squared. I got 3 of them. So I have 3 times 1/2 times 1/2 times pi times the radius squared. Notice we get the same answer. That's the flat bits added to the round bits. Our total answer is that plus this gives us 268.999214. I can't see the units. Meters squared. Then you press enter to check to see if you're right. One last one. This is a half sphere. We call it a hemisphere. Hemisphere means half sphere. We have the flat bits. We want to add those to the round bits. The flat bits, that's just a circle, so that's just pi r squared. The radius is 5.72. The units are the flat bits is pi r squared equals pi times the radius. That's that number, 5.72 to the power of 2. That gives us 102.787896 decameter squared. The round bits, a full sphere is 4 pi r squared. This is going to be 2 pi r squared, or you could think of it as 4/8. An eighth of a sphere is 1/2 pi r squared. So 4 times a half, 2 pi r squared. Either way, 2 pi r squared equals 2 times pi times the radius to the power of 2, like that. We add those together is equal to this plus that. Put your units, which are decimeters. You can always just rotate it. Decameters squared, because we're talking about area. Decameters squared. Then press enter to check to see if you're right. Look at this one. We're missing 1/8 of the sphere. This is 7/8 of a sphere. For the flat bits, it's 3/4 of the area of a circle. 3/4 pi r squared. For the round bits, this is 7/8 of the full sphere. 7/8 of 4 pi r squared. Flat bits is equal to 3/4 times pi. Let's put the radius right here. 2.77. It's hard to read. You can always make these bigger by clicking on that. 2.77 hectometers radius. 2.77. The flat bits is equal to 3/4 times pi times the radius squared. In the round bits, we have 7/8 of 4 pi r squared, which is a full sphere. 4 times pi times the radius squared, and equals in front of that, squared to the power of 2. The total surface area, the units are hectometers. The flat bits added to the round bits. Then we put our units, hectometers squared, and then press return to see if you're right. And that's it for total surface area of sphere fractions. Have a good day.